when you log into the website, okay, you will see the circle logo. Is a circle in form containing a kind of flag of the currency you are using. Actually, this is USD. I created this account for the purpose of this video. So you will see that circle flag. Click on it. Click on that circle flag. Then you wait as it loads. Then when you click on it, you have to go to real. Go to real account. Go to real. If for the instance you have not created or you have not added a real account, it's very simple. If for instance this real account has not been created, once you enter real, it will ask you to add or manage account. So click on add or manage account and then upgrade to real. When you upgrade to real, they will give you CR, client registration ID. Now the ID begins with a abbreviation CR followed by numbers, 7-digit numbers. So it is this number that you have to copy and send to me as your referral. You need to copy this. Just click on it and then copy. That's all. Thank you. I remain focused. Okay. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do that. Make sure you subscribe to my Telegram channel. Or we are working together like family as community. In order to win the financial market, become trade winner. We need to win it, okay? We are fighting to be among the 20% Forex millionaires or billionaires and winners, okay? And you don't need to be argumenting or try to procrastinate. Take action and start changing your life. Try to learn. Try to be in my YouTube, in my Telegram, and you'll be a kind of legend, kind of successful trader. Thank you and remain focused. Bye for now.